everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany, and so by the title of this video today, I am back with another ivybox unboxing. So y'all, so this one is for February. So disclaimer, I know it's like a whole month late. So the Ivy storehouse where I received my ivyboxes from last month, I believe, they basically said that they were just running delays and like we had like bad weather and stuff like that. So that's the reason why this box was delayed. But then I should be expecting the March box soon. So look for that unboxing. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below on these different items that I'm going to show you in the Ivy box. Of course, this is my first time opening it, but I'm gonna just say a disclaimer, y'all. I've already kind of seen what's in this box, but this is, of course, my second unboxing for my subscribers. So if you want to see more of this video, continue watching. Okay, so y'all already know, I think in my first unboxing, I think this is like one of the same boxes before. So, of course, here's the amazing wrapping paper that I really like. Ooh, y'all, so this is a card, and on this one it says she's your queen. I always look at myself like a queen anyway, so. Okay, so of course the theme for this, well, for February is she's your queen, and then what's in the box is going to be an African print kimono, Her Story Makers Fine Art, lithograph by Leroy Campbell, and then a 1908 African print label pen. So let's get into it. Y'all, like I said, I've kind of heard mixed reviews. We're kind of seeing mixed reviews about this month's Ivy box. Well, the February one. I can definitely say some people have basically said that they may stop subscribing to this Ivy box. I don't know. I guess maybe some people were kind of disappointed in this month's one. I was going to take out the 1908 pen. I like this one. Like, this one is like the African print. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, a lot of these I put on like my blue jean jackets. That's what I mainly just do with all of these. And then I think this is like a fine art one. Okay, this is kind of different, y'all. So this is one. Okay, this is basically saying like a certificate of authenticity, and I'm probably gonna throw this away to be honest. And then, okay, I actually like this. This is pretty cool. Like it has like a lot of ladies, a lot of beautiful ladies that are members of Alpha Kappa Alpha. So like up here is Rosa Parks. We have like Katherine Johnson. We have like Coretta down here. It's a lot of celebrities that are members of Alpha Kappa Alpha. So I like this. Like I like it. And to be honest, y'all, like I said before, I'm really into like portraits and stuff. So most likely I'll get this one framed and get it somewhere put up in here. Okay, y'all, so for this last item, I feel like this February box was kind of like short, I guess you would say, like with different items and stuff. But like I said, for this one, from some people that's been reviewing it, from what I've seen on YouTube, they weren't too happy about this box. I don't know, I'm the type, I'm grateful for anything that I receive. So this is like a African print kimono, I guess you would probably say. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I don't think I'll probably wear this at all. I'm just going to be honest. So what I think I will probably do, I'll probably save it for somebody and give this as a gift. I'm still hanging it up in my closet, of course, but Me personally, no, I'm probably not gonna wear this. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can actually like see what it looks like on me. Okay, y'all, so I have it on. Yeah, it's a no for me though. I couldn't see myself like wearing this. Of course I have my sweatshirt on, but I don't know, it's just not something I could see myself wearing. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, like this February box is probably one of my least favorite. I'm gonna just be honest. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest, so hopefully the March box is a little bit better. But yeah, but I'll probably give this away as like a gift. I mean, if I do keep it, I wouldn't even know, to be honest, what I wear with this. But yeah, I just wanted to just put it on so you guys can just see. And of course, I'm short, so this literally goes all the way down to my knees. Okay, so that is it for February's ivybox unboxing, y'all. Just be honest. Like I said, I really didn't care too much for this box, really. So hopefully the March box is a little bit better. So give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, I love you guys. Mwah. So see you in my next video. Bye.